New Magicool window air conditioner from Whirlpool, now with enhanced power saving. Now let's take a look at the functions and features of the remote control. Press the power button to switch on the AC. Now, choose the mode by pressing the mode button. Pressing it repeatedly will cycle through different modes. In the sixth sense mode, temperature and fan speed are automatically set based on the actual room temperature. The cool mode is used to control cooling in normal temperature range of 16 to 30 degrees centigrade. You can adjust the temperature using these two buttons. Press the fan speed button to select any of the three fan speed from high, medium, or low. Dry mode is suitable for humid conditions, where the moisture content is the main discomfort. The fan speed is set to low, to facilitate reduction of humidity level. When you do not need to lower the room temperature, you can still use the air conditioner as a simple fan. Fan speed can be selected easily from the high, medium or low preset settings. Use the turbo mode in peak summer to reduce the temperature of your room at highest possible rate. It sets the temperature to 16 degrees centigrade at highest fan speed for fastest cooling. The direction of airflow can be also adjusted to your own requirement by pressing the swing button. On pressing swing button once, the louvers will start swinging. Press it again to stop them at your desired angle. You can set the auto shutdown time by pressing the timer button. Press the up and down button to change the time, and then press the timer button again to confirm. Press the clear timer button to cancel any set timer. In sleep mode, the AC runs at lowest noise level, giving you the most comfortable environment for sleep. The AC automatically shuts down after 8 hours.
Whirlpool, designed to delight.